Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Programmer 5402 here, and today, I've got something really exciting to share with you all. Have you ever found yourself wishing you could control your computer from the comfort of your Android device? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm about to show you exactly how to do that using a fascinating tool called Project Reverie. For those of you who might not be familiar, Project Reverie is a powerful software solution that allows seamless control of your computer system using your Android smartphone or tablet. It's like having your computer at your fingertips, quite literally. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the setup process and demonstrate some of the amazing functionalities that Project Reverie offers. Whether you want to remotely access files, control media playback, or even give presentations without being tied to your desk, Project Reverie has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your device-to-computer interaction to the next level, stick around because I'm about to dive right into it. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future tech tutorials. First things first, let's get Project Reverie installed on both your Windows computer and your Android device. Simply head over to projectreverie.greatsite.net. Once you're on the website, you'll find download links for both Windows and Android. Go ahead and download the application on both your devices. On your computer, install the application and open it. Grant administrative privileges when prompted. Next, navigate to the application menu and select the option Setup Unlock System to install the application's driver for remote functions, bearing in mind that the system will restart during this process. After the computer reboots, reopen the application and click the Start Server button to establish the server connection. Now that you've pressed the Start Server button, there's one more important step we need to take care of to ensure smooth functionality. Your computer may prompt you to grant Project Reverie firewall access. This step is crucial for the application to communicate effectively. When you see the firewall access request pop up, make sure to select Allow or Grant Access. This will enable Project Reverie to establish connections and perform its functions seamlessly. Remember, granting firewall access is necessary for the application to work properly. If you accidentally dismiss the prompt, don't worry. You can manually adjust firewall settings later to allow access for Project Reverie. Once you've granted firewall access, you're all set to explore the features of Project Reverie. Once you follow these instructions, you've successfully installed Project Reverie on your computer. Now, let's get it set up on your Android device so you can enjoy its features on the go. Here's what we'll do next. Once you have installed the application in your Android device, locate the Project Reverie app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you open the app, you have two options to connect to your computer: scanning or manual input. Choose the option that best suits your preference. And once you've selected either scan or manual input, we will now proceed to establish the connection between your Android device and your computer. On your computer, wait for your phone to request a connection, and upon prompt, choose Yes, No, or Always Allow. Opting for Always Allow will enable the computer to remember the device for future connections, eliminating the need to repeatedly respond to connection requests. By selecting Yes, your Android device is now successfully connected to your computer through Project Reverie. This opens up a world of possibilities, granting the application access to various functionalities. With this connection established, the Project Reverie application on your Android device gains access to your computer status, volume control, running applications, mouse and keyboard settings, and much more. You'll now be able to remotely control your computer, adjust settings, and perform tasks right from your Android device, providing convenience and flexibility. Feel free to explore the different features and functionalities available through Project Reverie. Whether you're managing applications, adjusting volume, or utilizing mouse and keyboard controls, the possibilities are vast. And that's a wrap for this video. Remember, with Project Reverie, you have the power to control your computer right from your phone. Feel free to explore the app and tailor it to your needs. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you. Also, if you ever need assistance with coding or app development, You can find me on Fiverr, the link is provided below. Again, I am Programmer 5402. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next time.